I went and visited a backyard palm nursery in Renton, Washington with my buddy James, and here's what we found. The house was easy to find. There were some very impressive plants out front, including a few 20-foot tall windmill palms, this pretty impressive jubea here as well, and the largest sago I've ever seen anywhere around here. In the backyard, the mature palms were just as impressive, really tall palms, really healthy looking. These things have been here for a long time. They also had this really nice bamboo cluster here, 20 feet tall. This stuff looks amazing, super healthy and really cool looking bamboo. Now, as far as the plants for sale, the owner Brian has worked hard to grow all of these plants outdoors without protection. That gets really important when you're looking for plants to buy for your yard. Now, what a lot of nurseries in colder environments do is they buy plants grown in warmer climates and have them shipped up into the colder environments. The plants look really good when they first arrive, and they're sold to unsuspecting buyers thinking they can grow the plant outdoors in the climate that they're buying it in, and that the plant will continue to look like it did the day they bought it. But this rarely happens when you're buying plants that were grown in a different climate than what you're putting it into. When you have plants that are grown in the native environment that you're going to put it into, you're going to see exactly how the plant is going to look in your yard. It's not going to deteriorate as you introduce it to your house because the environments are very similar. Overall, there were some good plants here. I drove away with 2 Mediterranean fan palms, a Trachycarpus wagnerianus, and a monkey puzzle tree, which the CEO has been asking me to buy for years.